Spoonie here. Thanks for stopping into Spoonie's world. Hope you're having a good day, evening, whenever it is you're watching this video. I just briefly wanted to talk about the successful cycle. What is that? The successful cycle? It's just 4 things. Think of a rectangle. Okay? I entitled it The Successful Cycle. What in the heck am I referring to? Well, it's 4 stages. 4. First one is your potential. So you feel the potential of something, right? And guess what happens after potential? Action. You start to work towards that belief and thought that you were the potential. And you're putting action into that potential. And then after you've put in these actions, what do we start to see? Results. Good, bad, either way, the results. And what does that result do? Hopefully then, reaffirm a belief. When you have that belief, what does that then refuel? Your potential. And your potential increases, right? With that belief. And then the cycle just continues. You have that potential that then moves into action. And then that action starts making those results. And results start to fuel your belief, right? Think about that the next time you're trying to work on something, achieve something, work towards a goal, right? We talked about dreams versus goals. We need those deadlines. We need those plans, or they're just fantasy dreams, right? So the successful cycle. This is something I learned years ago and just wanted to share it with you. I learned this in an Tony Robbins workshop when I was 17. I was a senior in high school doing this half a year business institute. It was quite an experiment of the day. But anyway, point is, I still have this little packet from this workshop I did, and I was going back through it. Maybe I'll find it and take a photo so I can show you exactly what I'm referring to. But yes, it's called the successful cycle. Potential leads to action. Action gives you what? Results. Results then lead to belief. And when you start to believe, wow, anything is possible. Right? Thanks for watching. Thanks for popping in. I hope the successful cycle, the thought, the process, the idea, you find helpful. I'd love to get your input. I really do appreciate all of your input, views, watching, making this wonderful experiment of mine even come to fruition. Thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on this video. Share, like, subscribe. Thank you for being the best part of Spoonie's world. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you. I'm so grateful to you.